So have we hit a bottom in crypto? Is it time to buy? Is the recovery around the corner? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that I Trust Capital if you want to invest into crypto with the Roth IRA. It is a tax-free way to invest in crypto and I highly recommend it. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last couple of days, crypto is seeing a nice little recovery. Bitcoin is around 21,000, Ethereum is over 1,200. All the other altcoins as well are up over 10%. And a lot of people are very excited. A lot of people are calling the bottom and they are predicting even higher highs. Personally, I believe that this little recovery was definitely expected. We were oversold on pretty much all the indicators. And now all the sellers are pretty much taking a little break. But personally, I'm not buying it. I'm not jumping in. I'm not going all out and buying as much crypto as I possibly can. I'm simply sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see how this whole situation plays out. I personally believe that we haven't hit the bottom yet. And I believe Bitcoin will trend even lower. All the altcoins, the stock market, and real estate will see even lower lows. In my opinion, this is just a quick little bounce up before we head even lower. Personally, I will not be buying Bitcoin or any other crypto in large quantities until BTC hits $12,000. That is the point where I will start accumulating a ton of crypto. I also believe that Bitcoin will hit $8,000 in this bear market. And I believe that will be the bottom before we start actually reversing. As of right now, I'm just chilling on the sidelines. Also, guys, if you look at the entire market, nothing positive is happening. The market is still the same. Nothing has changed. The Fed is still raising interest rates. And in the month of July, they will probably raise rates again. Probably another 0.5% to 0.75%. Also, there's no end in sight. And they will probably continue to raise rates even higher until next year. So, not a lot of good news there. Inflation is still rising and prices are still climbing higher and higher. Gas is still going up. The price of groceries is going up. Commodities are going up. Literally everything is still going up and there's no end in sight. Also, a lot of crypto lending platforms are failing. A lot of exchanges are underwater. And I believe over the next couple of weeks, a lot more exchanges will be exposed and a lot of them are going to go bankrupt. So there are a lot of negative factors that are keeping the markets low. And I personally believe we will not see a real recovery until the Feds slows down on raising interest rates, until everything stabilizes with inflation, and until we see actual positive development in crypto when all the exchanges are pretty much in good standing and everything starts moving in the right direction. But right now, nothing has changed to convince me that this is the recovery that we have all been waiting for. So as of right now, I'm simply sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see how this whole thing plays out. Also, depending on how high this bounce goes, this might be a great opportunity to take some money off the table, especially if you believe that we will head even lower. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you believe this is the real recovery or just another fake out before we head even lower? Let me know your thoughts below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And see you in the next video. Peace out.